Surprise, surprise. We are back at it. Back at it. And look, as you can tell, we brought the whole family. We'll see how this plays out. How will this work? I don't know. But we are here. Carnival Sunshine, 5-day cruise to the Bahamas. Going to Princess Cays, and then the other one I can't pronounce.
Sad.
What is it?
We're not sure if it's Bimini or Bimini.
Bimini, bippity boppity boo. Bippity boppity boo. Okay, yes, that was cringe. So it's good to be back, man. We went on a family vacation, and I just wanted to make a video real quick to put that out there. But I will have more detailed videos, kind of touring the ship, going over everything, just to go over what we enjoyed, and as always, hopefully giving you some tips and some suggestions along the way. So stay tuned, and I'll be in and out of this video to do some narration, and look forward to getting back in touch with y'all. All right, so we're going to be coming at y'all with live updates the whole time like before. Feels good to be back. Ready to get our cruise on. What do you say, Hater? Let's get it. So already some technical difficulties. Last time the thing just busted because it was just holding it wrong. Because I was holding it from the top and the handle broke. This time we had a soda can bust, so it made all of our soda boxes wet and break apart. Yeah, buddy. Taking the shuttle. We can take the mask off if you like. I can't breathe. Kids' first cruise, first family cruise. We in here. United States.
How is it gonna feel when it goes?
We in here. As you see, this was Carnival's 50th anniversary, so we got to be a part of that. And as tradition, you already know, we got to start off with the guys' burgers.
Squad, and we are going to have an incredible 5-day vacation. I think it's time we get it started with a little dance. DJ Goa, what did he got for us? A little dance. Here we go. You ready? Follow along with us. It goes just like this. You ready? Do the dance. Go see
Come on, JJ. No, matter of fact, Mommy. Don't see that with Mommy.
Folks, the winner of our 90s Santa Congratulations, Cheryl. You are the winner of our 90s dance battle. But this party is not over. Right now, I need you all to come in because we have a world premiere of a song you have never heard before until right here on the Sunshine. And it goes like this. It's time for the walk.
Camp Oceans Let Me See. No,
Mom, you can't go past this year. You're too old. You're like times 3. I wish I was with
2:30 until 7:30.
30, what time is it now?
So where's that
2:10.
at? 10.
Y'all Circle C, right? This lounge is unsupervised when activities have been completed. You can look in there though.
Dad, we're breaking the air.
We're not going in.
What are you doing?
Camp Ocean. JJ. Very brave, my guy. Bling. Bling. Gotta go straight. Diagonal.
Next, let's hold the guys on the show. And start. Hold on, wait. Hey man, are you able to hold it up like this? So then it doesn't hurt you? Let's go, let's do it. Almost there. Are we doing for time? Time.
Nice try. Two hands. I've never seen somebody lose their golf ball. Got the steak, Robson tail, lamb chops, fries, wino. Not you, I'm just saying the wine. The wine, oh. And then we got the cheesecake, right? Oh, what she got? I went to the restroom and she tore it up before I even got back. So. I'm going to let y'all take a stab in the dark with this one since I don't want to get any copyrights. You can guess the song here in the second. Coming up now, this boy is in it, but there you go. There's your clue right there. But good times. We had fun with this, and the food was okay at the diner, but we'll get into that in another video. I said, or you missed your opportunity, kid.
We're gonna come back here solely for the dessert.
So you must come back here solely for dessert. This is a face of disappointment, people. When you picked the wrong pick. What is you talking about, kid?
Mommy, come here.
What are these Christmas trees? It's tranquil.
What's that stuff? How's moving?
Wheelchair and
I think this house close to 2,700.
2,700?
Don't worry, there are alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. So my hair is braided, so I had to cap it up so I can't be messing up my braids so you can see through it. So I did that there, and I'm not ashamed of my game. I got my phone in the water. Once again, I don't learn my lesson. Y'all remember a few videos back, the phone I have is the X, the iPhone X, and it ain't about that life when it gets into the seawater. So I haven't learned, but I'm holding on to it tight. So here we go. likes you, Cindy. So you, my friend. My friend.
I think the fishes love her.
Oh, you think you're Ariel? That's cute. That's cute. We in here, bruh. Ah. Can't want to take my cap off now. This is it.
Down that tail in one direction. You don't bring your hands back up this way, you don't want to get cut. Like, so, just straight down. Stop. You, sir.
Straight down?
Yep.
Oh, snap. That's crazy. That's bomb. Cheers to loss. That was terrible.
Little hip, that floor. It seems like a floor that where they play.
I can already tell with her we can never let her go to a casino because it's going to be a problem. Yeah, all right, Buddo. Good to go? All right. Oh, shoot. Woo. All right. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Oh, it's dark. Alright, so that's pretty much the video. I'm glad y'all stuck through, and just be on the lookout for the tour, for the actual ports, and a ton of other videos I got coming. I'm back, and I look forward to connecting with y'all. Peace. We're done for. Finito. Finished.